In this video, you will use FortiToken Mobile to add two-factor authentication to a user account. Two-factor authentication requires users to enter an additional piece of information after their username and password is accepted. In this case, you'll use a one-time password generated by the FortiToken app. This example uses FortiToken Mobile for iOS. Before you start, make sure that your FortiGate is connected to the Internet. Go to User and Device, FortiTokens. Your FortiGate may have entries listed by default. If so, you may use these tokens and go on to the next step. To add new FortiTokens, select Create New. Set Type to Mobile Token and enter your activation code. After FortiGuard validates the code, your FortiTokens will appear on the list, with status set to available. Go to User and Device, User Definition, and create a new local user. In order to use FortiToken Mobile, you must enter a mobile phone number in the Contact Info section. Select the appropriate country region and enter a phone number. In the Extra Info section, enable two-factor authentication and select an available token. The user list shows the FortiToken in the two-factor authentication column for the new user account. Go to User and Device, FortiTokens. The FortiToken assigned to the user is now listed as pending until the user activates the FortiToken. If your FortiGate can send SMS messages, go to User and Device, User Definition, and edit the new user account. Select Send Activation Code and send the code by SMS. If your FortiGate cannot send SMS messages, go to System, Dashboard, Status, and enter the following into the CLI console. The activation code will be shown in the output. Give this code to the user. Go to Policy and Objects, Policy, IPv4, and edit the policy that allows connections from the internal network to the Internet. Set source users to the new user account. Using your iOS device, download and install FortiToken Mobile. Open the app and add a new account. Select Enter manually. Enter the activation code into FortiToken Mobile. FortiToken Mobile can now generate a token for use with the FortiGate. To make the app more secure, you can also set a PIN on the app. Attempt to browse the Internet. An authentication page appears requesting a username and password. After you enter the username and password, the page will request a FortiToken code. Enter the code currently shown in the FortiToken Mobile app. Once the token is authenticated, you can connect to the Internet. Thank you for watching. If you need further details, you can visit docs.fortinet.com to access our complete documentation library. You can also check out our new cookbook site at cookbook.fortinet.com to find more tutorials like this one.